Hey! In this video, I will be transforming my daughter's old hat into a miniature hoodie with a fake Nike logo. Oh, and I'm also doing a really bad voiceover, so enjoy! Alright, we're starting off with a hat, obviously. Isn't it so cute? And drawing an outline of the hoodie, but completely ignoring it while I'm cutting it. I'm not really sure what the point was. And then pretty much doing the same thing for the sleeves. Sewing. And moving on to the hood. Now this part, I kind of used the top of the hat because it had pre-made creases to it. Is this video going fast enough for you? Chop, chop, choppity, chop, chop, chop. Alright, now I'm just sewing the hood onto the hoodie, just all around the neckline. Once you turn everything around, it looks like a hoodie. And then the cherry on top obviously is the fake Nike logo, except the check mark is off, right? Because it's reversed. I made a mistake, but that's fine. It still looked cool. And then I also added a little tennis skirt. Also used fabric from old clothing, really just for the elastic band. I like to reuse old clothes for their fabric because I just don't want to buy fabric to make clothes that's only going to be worn by a piece of paper, right? So the skirt only took me about 5 minutes, but the hoodie took me, I think, like 2 to 3 hours. All right, so it's all done. Our model, little paper model today, I didn't draw her, I just kind of put her together by tracing different pictures on the internet because I just cannot draw. And then I named her JJ. She loves books, hence the glasses. And then she's also going to be wearing this outfit to the library to go read or study or whatever she likes to do. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!